Namaskaram. Welcome to the open eye meditation. Let's find a comfortable position to sit with a straight back. Once you're ready, we're going to keep our eyes open, soften your gaze and focus on any one spot a few feet in front of you. See that your eyes stay still on the spot, blurring your vision slightly. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice how your breath is flowing naturally. Become aware of ingoing and outgoing breath that flows naturally. Feel the rise and fall of your belly and your chest with each inhalation and exhalation. There is no effort towards breathing. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath without any judgment. Your eyes are open and your attention is on your breath, noticing ingoing and outgoing breath as it is. Now become aware of your gaze. Notice, what do you see effortlessly? Notice whatever is in front of you without trying to look for anything specific at the moment. Now gradually widen your field of vision to take in more of your surroundings without moving your head. Pay attention to the details, the objects you see, the shape of the object, the color of the object, how many objects you notice at the moment. Become aware of everything that you see without moving your head. Make your connection with the objects you see without having any story going on in your head, without any judgment or attachment with the object. Just notice the object as it is. Become aware of the process of seeing the object. Notice three things here. One is the object. Two, the eyes through which you're seeing the object. And the I, you who's seeing the object. Become aware of all three: the object, the eyes from which you're seeing the object, and you who is seeing the object through the eyes. Now shift your focus to a specific object in your field of view. Observe it intently, noticing its texture, color, and any subtle changes in light or shadow. Let your eyes grasp all that you can see without moving your head. Keep focusing on that object for a few moments and let everything else become blurry. return your focus back to your breath and notice how your breath is flowing. With every inhalation, feel the life, the energy coming in your body. And with each exhalation, feel complete relaxation in your body. Now wiggle your fingers, your toes. Slowly move your head side to side. Roll your shoulders. For a few moments, close your eyes. Then once again, slowly open the eyes to observe your surroundings, carrying a sense of calm awareness within you, carrying a feeling of gratitude towards the things you have in your life. With this gratitude, with this awareness, we'll end our practice. Om Shanti.